afternoon, it's Brian Schumann coming to you from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV here in Belton, Missouri. Today I want to highlight a 2021 Thor Palazzo 33.6. And this is a great entry-level coach, a diesel pusher for a family, young family, or a family that just wants to bring some other kids with them. It's got 300 horsepower, 600 pounds of torque. This particular coach only has like 4,800 miles on it. So again, basically hardly used, not even one oil change. But we do go through it and change the oil and change all the services. But the point is, this thing is like brand new. So I've got you filming from where you are, but as you come forward, I want you to turn around because above your head is the drop-down bunk. So you've got your power shades, but another place for sleeping is this drop-down bunk that'll come down all the way on the top of these chairs. It won't hit them, but you'll have that whole area for sleeping arrangements. So again, you've got a couple other kiddos that like to have their own little place, especially with webbing. So if they're Spider-Man freaks, they might like that also. But a neat concept of this coach is, again, how small it is, but how powerful it is, and how the amenities are such that it provides a lot of seating capacity, sleeping capacity, and just plain comfort in a nice size coach. It's actually the fastest RV in the quarter mile. Not that I expect you to race this thing, but the pounds and the ratio of the engine and the weight of this coach is such that it makes it one of the fastest coaches. And that's from the rep. But the neat thing is it has the torque you need to pull what you want to pull, and the size and the maneuverability to make it really, really easy to get around in the campground. Okay, so just looking at the front cab again, it's a Freightliner chassis. Again, you got your hydraulic leveling, you got a nice size screen, TV for your navigation, radio, CarPlay, all that material. Cup holders galore, a nice padded dash, very comfortable seats, and even a side window that if you're looking from here could be for the puppies to look out, or a great place to see the blind spot down there by your feet. One of the things about a coach like this that some people prefer is mid-entry in a diesel. So they like the fact that there's no steps up here to worry about or a step cover. In this case, you enter in the middle of the coach, and once when you're up here, again, you can get into your kitchen, your galley, or your living room area very, very easily and safely. So you don't have to worry about that step, because as you see, if I'm walking into this coach and walking by it, I'm really not inadvertently going down the steps. So it's very, very safe, and I want to emphasize that. One of the things about the front part of this coach I like too, especially with kids, is that you've got seat belts, if you notice, even in the theater seats, as well as in the dinette. So again, if you've got child seats that you need restraints, you've got plenty of options for where to put them. Okay, this table does fold down, become a bed area, and what I like about it is it's very large. I'm 6 feet, and again, this is a good 6-foot span. When it's up, I like the padding, so you can kind of lean against it. And then the cup holders are nice, so if the kids are traveling and they're sitting here, at least if they got a drink, it's not going to go flying across either there or in the theater seat. So you have two places where people can sit down and eat and drink, and at least their drinks are going to stay put. As we go back into the coach, you've got a full-size fridge, Whirlpool. You've got 2 sinks and a nice, very generous sized galley area. Lots of storage below and above. A nice size Whirlpool microwave convection, and an induction cooktop, including a power tower here with plenty of juice for your Keurig, your toasters, electric knife if you want to. Your master bedroom, this is a 1 bath, is very adequate. A very respectable size shower with a skylight, nice bright white. Little shelves for your amenities. And on the flip side, again, plenty of room for your linens and toiletries right across from your galley. Like all coaches we have, again, when these slides are in, you can still get a beverage if you need to from the refrigerator, and you can still get into the bathroom. So again, no one has to get out and take that fear of going to a truck stop for the bathroom. In here, you've got a nice size wardrobe with your padded cushions for your booth dinette when you want to make that into a bed. You've got 2, oh, come on now, wrong side. 2 Nice sized pantries that'll slide out and lock into place. That's kind of a nice feature. And I like the fact that there's a back on it so things don't fall, but you could grab things from both sides. The chances are you wouldn't. You'd be from this side, and that's where the lower side of the shelf is, if you can tell. Right here versus here. You can see that. That's the same way on both pantry doors. It locks into place, keeps things where they're supposed to be. Showed you the wardrobe. You have a kind of a coat closet here, which is kind of neat, and another area that could be used for either a pantry or maybe some linens kind of folded up on top. Again, making use of every bit of space that's in here. Similarly, you have a stackable Whirlpool washer and dryer in the back of the coach. And if you notice in the ceiling, this does have 2 ACs. And I like that because many times coaches of this length have 1 AC, especially gas coaches. Well, not so much in a diesel pusher. They want to make sure you get plenty of cooling power, and as a result, they give you 2 ACs. Back in the master bedroom, which you obviously can see is an inclined bed, so you can watch your TV. But you've got 2 generous doors and wardrobes that can be hanging closed, and you can take out the shelves or you can move them whatever you want to, plus the drawers and dressers area down below. So again, you've got plenty of storage here, remember, and of course you got the wardrobe across from you. A nice big window for some natural light, a side window here, and again more storage up above to again include your clothes, bath linens, towels, you name it. So this is a 21 Thor Palazzo 33.6, only 4,800 miles on it, in great shape. I mean, essentially brand new. Super coach that if you don't want all that big power and you don't want that length and you don't want tag axles, I strongly recommend it. Come see us here at Transwest RV, Truck Trailer and RV. I'm Brian Schumann. Give me a call, 816-892-5945. Again, don't forget, we're still looking to buy used coaches, so if you want to get out of RVing or you have to get rid of your coach, give us a call. We'd love to consider doing a buy bin on it. Until next time, it's me. Safe travels.